Hi, and welcome to 7 Day Shop TV. My name is Matt, and today we're going to be looking at the 7 Day Shop handheld extendable monopod. Let's have a look inside the box. The camera's tripod socket attaches to the monopod's rotational thumb screw. The head of the monopod is also variable at 180 degrees. The monopod shaft extends by simply pulling the handle whilst holding the pod's head. The truly versatile nature of this monopod allows you to produce video blogs with ease and take self-portraits individually or with groups of friends. When extended, the monopod is 105 centimeters in length, offering great views and elevation for festivals, gigs, weddings, and other crowded social events. The monopod's handle comes with a threaded tripod socket mount, enabling you to attach it to a regular tripod for added stability. Thanks for watching this video. Please check out our website 7dayshop.com for thousands more great deals at fantastic prices.